Welcome to my channel and this week review of stock markets and stocks in my portfolio. I am making this episode earlier than usual, as I am just too excited to see so many of my top holdings at their turning point on the price chart. I wanted to document this moment and compare my expectations against reality a few weeks later. Here is top dividend-paying companies in my portfolio, sorted by dividend yield. And here is companies that give me excitement when I look at their price chart. They all show almost identical pattern, coming down to one of my benchmark SMAs, getting ready to bounce back and continue their upward momentum. Let me start with Brookfield Global Infrastructure Income Fund, which is showing my most favorite pattern, where both 1-year and 5-year charts are at their turning points. The 5-year chart is showing clear signs of a trend reversal, with price staying above 60 SMA. It is also at the crossover between 20 and 60 SMA. The 1-year chart is showing recent breakout through previous resistance level, and the signs of getting ready to bounce higher, right off that resistance line. I think chances of price moving to $5 from here are quite high. Only some very bad news on the company or the economy would be able to change this momentum now, in my opinion. Next on my list is Cardinal Energy, which just went up above 60 SMA, as I was expecting. And if it manages to stay there, it is going to look quite bullish. I covered Cardinal Energy in one of my recent episodes, so I am not going to add much here. Please watch that episode to hear my thought on this company. Another high-paying dividend company that gives me some thrills is MCAN Mortgage Corporation. I was fortunate to pick it up during last price drop in March, when the company's revenue and earnings for the quarter fell short of analysts' expectations. But I thought the results weren't all that bad, and was attracted by its high dividend yield. The share price quickly started showing bullish signs, climbing above 20 SMA. And now that it jumped above 60 and 120 SMA, I think it has good chances of staying there, and soon climb back to $17 again. Keep in mind that mortgage companies are not in favor by markets right now. But I think rental housing crunch in Canada helps mortgage corporations to stay afloat, and continue paying good dividend. So the markets may start paying attention to them soon and increase allocation to this sector. And not to make this episode too long, I will only briefly mention the other 3 companies on my list with favorable chart formation. Gibson Energy, the oil and gas infrastructure company, which pays 7.3% dividend. Evertz Technologies, which manufactures video and audio equipment for broadcasting industry, and pays a respectable dividend of 5.4%. And West LifeCo, an insurance and retirement savings company with 5.2% dividend. Their charts look very similar, all recovering from a recent decline, with strong signs of upward momentum. This is my favorite chart formation to open or top up my positions. So there you go. That's my 6 high dividend paying companies that give me goosebumps of excitement when I look at their charts. Will my rosy expectations materialize? Let's come back to them at the end of the summer and find out. I am keeping full positions over the summer, for all of them, in my portfolio.